proceed? Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now you have launched a server. Let's say Flipkart application is running on your server. Flipkart application is running on your server. Flipkart application is used by millions of people. So your instance type, my instance type is T2 micro, which gives me 1 CPU and 1 GB RAM. So it cannot handle. My server is not handling the load. For that, I need to upgrade the instance type. I need more GB RAM and more CPUs, because the application which is running on my server is working well. For that, I need more space, more RAM, more CPU. So can I upgrade the instance type? In the
Yes.
real time, you can upgrade the instance type. How? First, you need to stop the instance. Let's say this is a Flipkart instance, Flipkart server. So first, if you want to upgrade your instance type, select the instance, go to actions, go to instance settings. Can you see here, change instance type? Click. And from here, you can change the instance type. You can choose any instance.
Okay.
According to the requirement. Choose any instance and scroll down and apply. I'm not applying here because other instance type is not free. We are using T2 micro. Why? Because it's free. Right? T2 micro is free. Other instance type charges. That's why just for your information, how to upgrade the instance type, what you need to go first
Okay.
is you need to stop the instance. Clear,
Okay.
everyone, how to upgrade the instance type?
Ma'am, show once again.
Okay. Select your instance. First, you need to stop the instance. See, if I don't stop the instance, let's say my instance is running. My instance is running. If I try to upgrade my instance type in the running state, first you select the instance, go to actions, go to instance settings here. Then when you click to instance settings, you can see change instance type here.
It's not functional.
It's not highlighting.
Yeah.
Why? Because
Yeah.
my instance is in running state.
Running.
So to upgrade the instance, first you need to stop the instance. Stop the instance. You need to wait until it's fully stopped. The instance state should be fully stopped. So when it's stopped, go to actions, go to instance settings, go to change instance type. Now it's highlighting because it stopped. Click and change your instance type here and apply. Clear, everyone?
Ma'am, can you
That's
also
right.
show how to apply HTTPD while if we don't give it while creating the instance from security group?
Select your instance. Go to security here. Why we need to go to security? Because we need to update
Add
security groups, right?
HTTPD. Yes.
So go to security groups here. Can you see edit inbound rules? Click
Inbound rules.
add rule. Here select, let's say HTTPS. Select, then here in custom give anywhere. Just save. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. So what we have done now, we have seen how to upgrade instance type, right? We know how to upgrade instance type. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So now let's see how to change termination protection. What is termination protection? So let's say you are in a company and you have launched 20 to 30 servers. So you want to delete a Meesho server. You have many servers, Meesho, Flipkart, Amazon, Netflix. So you wanted to delete Meesho server, but accidentally you have deleted Flipkart server. Accidentally you have deleted Flipkart server. So then there will be millions of loss, right? You have completely deleted the website. Now people cannot
Yes.
access because you have terminated the instance accidentally. So to protect from that accidental termination, what you need to do, select the instance, go to actions, go to instance settings. Can you see here change termination protection? Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Click. Here you can see enable termination protection, enable and save. So I have successfully enabled termination protection for this instance. Now if I terminate this instance, go to instance state, terminate instance, terminate, fail to terminate an instance. Why? I cannot terminate because I
Because we
have
have
enabled termination protection.
enabled it.
Clear? So
Okay.
there are two ways
If we again
to edit.
disable it.
Yes, same. Go to actions, go to instance state, go to termination, just unselect, deselect this, save. Now if you terminate, it will be terminated. Clear? So there are two ways. One is after launching, you can change from actions. The other method is while launching. Now this is the launch instance. While launching, scroll down. After volume, after all the 7 parameters, the last one will be advanced details. Select advanced details. Scroll down. Here you can see termination protection. Just enable. While launching only, you can enable termination protection. If you forgot to enable, then by actions, you can edit. Clear, everyone? This is the best practice. In companies, you need to enable termination protection always. Protect from accidental termination. Clear? Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So now you have learned how to upgrade the instance type. For instance type, first you need to stop the instance, and if you're in a real time, let's say Flipkart application is running on your instance. So without informing your client, you have stopped the instance. You have stopped the instance and you are upgrading. So you should not do this. First, you need to email your client that I want to upgrade the instance type. For that, I need to stop the instance. If he approves, then you can stop the instance. without approving, if you stop the instance, then the Flipkart application will be stopped, right? It will buffer.
Yes.
If I type www.flipkart.com, it will buffer or it will stop. So you need to inform your client that you need to stop. Clear everyone about instance type upgrade, how to upgrade instance type and how to change termination protection, how to edit security groups? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So now you know how to upgrade instance type. What is instance type? Combination of RAM and CPU, right? What if you want
CPU.
to upgrade the
Yes.
hard disk? Hard disk is volume, right? So what you need to do,
Yes.
in the dashboard left side, in under elastic block store, can you see volumes?
Yes.
Yes. Click to volume. Here you can see the volume. This is which volume? My gym website's volume. Which volume is this? Which instance volume? My gym instance volume. Here you can see gym website hosting, the name. In the attached resources, you can see the name of the instance and it's attached. So now if I want, my size is 8 GB. My volume size is 8 GB. If I want to upgrade this volume, select volume, go to actions, modify volume. Here it's 8 GB, right? 9 GB, give 9 GB or 10 GB. You can only increase the size. You cannot decrease the size. Minimum it should be 8 GB. Can you see here? I cannot do 7. I can only increase the size. So I'm increasing to 10. 2 GB I'm increasing. Now scroll down and modify. That's it. Refresh.
Okay.
Can you see my volume
Continue.
is modified to 2 GB? Created to 2 GB?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
It's easy or not?
Yes, ma'am.
See.
Can you all do now? Modifying the volume.
Yeah. Done.
Please do and send screenshot in group. Upgrade the volume. For to upgrade the volume, you don't need to stop the instance. But
Yeah.
for to upgrade the instance type, you need to stop instance. Very good, Farisa. So now, see, we have upgraded our existing volume. So if I want to add volume, what I can do, I can just create the volume, like to increase the performance. The existing volume I have upgraded. How? By going to actions and modify. But if I want to add the volume, there is my laptop. In my laptop, there is a hard disk of 8 GB. There is a 8 GB hard disk. If I want 14 GB. I want to upgrade that hard disk of my laptop from 8 GB to 12 GB. 12 GB. So I need 4 GB more, right? 4 GB volume hard disk. So what I need to do, I need to remove that
Yes.
8 GB hard disk and I need to put the 12 GB hard disk. Remove and put. Or
Okay.
else what I can do, I can add that 8 GB hard disk and also I can add 4 GB hard disk. Two hard disks. One is 8 GB and other is 4 GB. Why? I can modify the existing one. I can add, I can like for that, for 8 GB, I can give 12 GB. I can put 12 GB. But what I'm doing, I'm adding another hard disk, 4 GB hard disk. Why?
Okay.
Increase the performance. To increase the performance, we can add a new volume rather than
Okay.
upgrading the existing hard disk. We can add the other hard disk. So similarly here, to add another volume, what we can do, go to create volume. First you need to see, go to volumes. This volume is of gym website hosting, right? So what I want to do, I want to add this volume. So there are two steps. First I need to create the volume, then I need to attach that volume to this instance. So first, also I need to see the availability zone. In which availability zone is my volume? AP South 1A. Create volume. Write the steps. First step is create volume. In size, let's say I want to add 2 GB volume. To my 10 GB, if I want to add 4 GB. Here in size, give 4 GB. Availability zone should be correct. The first volume's availability zone. Two availability zones should be same. Mine was 1A, then give 1A, then just create volume. What you need to do, just one step. You can increase the size here, and IOPS is basically the speed. You can also increase the speed until 16,000 for better performance. And you need to give the availability zone. Create volume. As soon as you create volume, here the volume will be created. Can you see 4 GB? Yes?
Yeah.
So the next step will be, I need to attach this volume to that instance. Existing instance. Select, go to actions, refresh. First refresh. Select that new volume, data volume. This is known, the volume which we add later is known as data volume. Data volume. And the volume which it's created while launching instance is known as root volume. The volume which we add is known as data volume. So now what we need to do, we need to select data volume, and here you can see the names of the root volume and data volume. The name of root volume will be /dev/xvda /dev/xvda, and the name of the data volume will be first select, go to attach volume. You can see this page here. Here you need to attach the instance. Which instance is running? Website hosting. Attach. It will automatically give you the device name, which is /dev/sdf. Just attach volume. That's it. So now this is my instance, right? Gym instance. Gym server. What is the volume? The size of the volume of my gym server? What is the size of the volume
10
of my
and
gym
4,
server?
4, 14. 10 and 14.
Yes,
10 and
10
4,
plus 14.
14.
Very good. How? I have created another volume and I have attached that server to this volume. Clear, everyone? I can also
Yes.
delete. How? Just select. First, you need to detach. It's not highlighting. Why? Because you need to refresh first. Refresh. Select. Go to actions. First, you need to detach volume from the instance. After detaching volume, delete the volume. It's not highlighting. Why? Because I haven't refreshed. Delete volume. Clear, everyone? How to modify the existing volume and also how to add the another volume and attach the volume to the instance. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. Please do it now.